Oily skin is one of the most tasking and challenging skin to take care of. Because of how daunting the task is, those with oily skin may face issues such as acne breakouts, inflammation, and enlarged pores. However, a good skincare routine will give your oily skin all the care it needs to become smooth and healthy. This video will teach you the best skincare routine for oily skin, so pay attention and watch the entire video to learn how. 7. Use a cleanser. Irrespective of your skin type, a cleanser is one of the first significant skincare products you should have readily available. This is a skincare product that helps remove dust, dirt, oil, and other forms of impurities from the surface of the skin. For the ladies, using a cleanser helps remove any leftover makeup on your face. Removing excess makeup prevents other skin problems from breaking out. While choosing a cleanser for oily skin, ensure it's mild and has adequate micellar water. 6. Get a face wash. Cleaning up the surface of your oily skin does not end with using a mild cleanser. You would also need a soothing face wash to remove any remaining dirt on the skin. The primary benefit of a face wash is that it further refreshes, revives, and cleans your oily skin. However, make sure you choose a face wash produced explicitly for oily skin. The face wash should be able to remove all the oil in your face without causing any side effects. Ensure you use this at least twice a day for better results. 5. Exfoliate your skin. After cleaning the top layer of your skin with a cleaner and a face wash, you need to clean it deeper with an exfoliator. Exfoliating your oily skin helps to scrub deep into the skin, allowing oxygen to travel through the skin cells. In the process, it also removes any bacteria, blackheads, oil, and dead skin cells from the surface of your oily skin. Ensure that the exfoliator you are getting is gentle and not harsh. Don't over-exfoliate your oily skin to prevent inflammation. 4. Use an antioxidant serum. An antioxidant serum should also be part of your daily skin routine if you have oily skin. The serum you get should come with vitamin C, as it has active ingredients that penetrate deep into the skin, repair, and rejuvenate the skin. Besides this, an antioxidant serum containing vitamin C helps to remove excess sebum and oil from the face. This should also help to remove pigmentation and any black spots on your oily skin, which you should be able to do if you are using an antioxidant serum containing vitamin C. 3. Clay. Don't be surprised. Clay is one of the natural remedies those with oily skin should use for better skin. According to a study, clay contains minerals that help eliminate excess sebum on your oily skin. This ingredient features properties that aid in exfoliating the skin to remove dead skin cells and reduce sebum production. However, the type of clay you should consider using for your oily skin must include bentonite and kaolin clays, fuller's earth, and rosol clay. If your skin becomes excessively dry due to the clay used, follow it with a moisturizer. 2. Use a moisturizer. Even if you have dry skin, using a moisturizer should be one of your priorities for better skin. However, if you have oily skin, it is even more critical as it helps to hydrate the skin. One of the properties of untreated oily skin is acne, often caused by stickiness. Ensure the moisture you are getting is lightweight, free of oils, and water-based. When you don't use a moisturizer, it makes your skin gland produce more oil and unbalances the pH level of your skin. 1. Use a skin toner. A skin toner adds more hydration to your skin and removes any other dirt remaining on the skin. It acts like an exfoliator, but is different as it comes with salicylic acid. Salicylic acid in your skin toner disrupts the cellular junctions of the skin and amplifies its natural exfoliation process. According to some verified research papers, salicylic acid is one of the main ingredients to treat acne inflammation. Those are the best tips for taking good care of your oily skin. so follow them religiously and help your skin. This is the end of the best skincare routine process for oily skin. Don't forget to comment on the video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more videos like this.